Good morning, dear aspirants. So, we have taken a short break for giving this daily current affairs analysis after this preliminary exams. So, from today onwards, we are going ahead with the daily current affairs issues. And the main focus is on two aspects. One is for prelims and another one is for mains. In mains, you can make it as an example on each and every topic. So you can write, when you're writing an answer, you can give this current affairs as an example. And completely this is exclusively for prelims 2024. So to start with today's news, Cyclone Joy set to hit Kuch, Gujarat PSF. So all you need to know about for prelims is this comes under GS1 Geography. So for prelims you need to understand about the cyclones. Yes, cyclone is a type of low pressure environment and with rapid inward air circulation. Remember, it is an inward air circulation. In the northern hemisphere, air flows counterclockwise, while in the southern hemisphere, it circulates clockwise. So, tropical cyclones are violent storms that originate over ocean in tropical areas and move over to the coastal areas. And storms and bad weather are actually associated with cyclone, remember. So, the word cyclones comes from the Greek word cyclos, that means snake coils, and the conditions which is favorable for cyclone is there should be a temperature of sea that must be higher than 27 degrees Celsius, and there must be a presence of Coriolis force, and there must be variations in the vertical wind speed, and the pre-existing weak low pressure area or low level cyclonic circulation should be there, and upper divergence above the sea level system. And remember the cyclone terminology, sometimes you may expect this for prelims. Okay, so cyclones in Indian Ocean it is said to be cyclones, in Atlantic it is said to be hurricanes, and in Western Pacific and South China Sea it is said to be typhoons, and in Western Australia it is said to be willy willies. Alright. So the nomenclature of tropical cyclone, the name, how the cyclone get its name. So the process is actually it involved in several countries, and it is done under the aegis of WMO, World Meteorological Organization. For the Indian Ocean region, a formula for naming cyclone was agreed in 2004. 8 countries like Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Thailand all contributed a set of names which are assigned whenever a cyclonic storm develops. Then next issue is Anti-Delhi Ordinance that infringes the democracy, that was said by Delhi CM Kejriwal. So this comes under GS2 Constitution, and the key point for prelims is what is ordinance? That is a law issued by the President of India when the Indian Parliament is not in the session. This ordinance have the same power and effect as like us what Parliamentary Act has. But remember, ordinance is only temporary in nature. So President can deal with unanticipated or urgent problem through this ordinance making power. So ordinance making of the President is a constitutional power, and it comes under Article 123, and 123 gives a lawmaking power to promulgate ordinance only when there is neither of the two House of Parliament is not in the session, and approval. The ordinance must be approved by the Parliament within 6 weeks after its reassembly. Ordinance may also withdraw by the President at any time. Okay, and it is not a discretionary power. President can promulgate or withdraw ordinance only on the suggestion of the Prime Minister, like Council of Ministers. And an ordinance can be retroactive, meaning it can be also taken effect from the previous date. It has the authority to amend or revoke any act of Parliament. However, it cannot use to modify the constitution. Okay. In 38 Amendment Act says that President's satisfaction with the issue of ordinance is final and no court has any role in that. However, that was again repealed in the 44th Amendment Act, which means President's satisfaction is not final, that is subject to the judicial review. Okay. Next issue, particulate pollution increasing in Rajasthan cities, says CSE report. So this comes under GS3, Environment for Pollution. About air pollution. Air pollution is the presence of compounds in the atmosphere that are hazardous to human health. And there are many different types of air pollutant like ammonia, CO2, sulfur dioxide, nitrate and particulate matter, etc. The causes is multifaceted, like from construction to shipping, industries, transports, energy, household, agriculture. There are huge causes. The primary pollutants that directly cause air pollution. Secondary pollutants are those that produce as a result of mixing or interacting with the primary pollutant. Both human activity and natural process can generate air pollution. So again, National Air Quality Index that is launched in 2014 with an outline, one number, one color, one description. So this index is based on measurement of air quality and it is based on 8 pollutants. Remember, this 8 pollutant is important for prelims. Particulate matter, PM10, PM2.5, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, CO, carbon monoxide, ozone, ammonia and lead. And there are 6 categories of air quality: good, satisfactory, moderately polluted, poor, very poor and severe. Okay. So previously the question have been asked, in the cities of our country, which among the following atmosphere gases are normally considered in calculating the value of air quality index? So remember, these are the pollutants you have to remember. Thank you. If you have any queries, feel free to contact this number. Have a great day.